In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set page size in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You can start with a new file or an existing one. The process is exactly the same. Give it a moment to load and make sure you can see your data on the sheet. What we're going to do happens in the print preview, which is where Google Sheets keeps all the page size and layout controls. Now look to the top left and click File. This opens the main menu where all document level options live. From here, choose Print. Don't worry, you're not sending anything to a printer yet. This simply opens the print preview along with a settings panel that lets you control how your sheet will appear on a page. In the print settings panel, find the option labeled paper size and click it. You'll see a list of common paper sizes. Select letter, which is 21.6 by 27.9 centimeters. That's a standard size in many regions and works well for general documents. If you typically use a different standard like A4, this is also where you would pick it, but for this example, we're choosing letter to demonstrate the workflow. As soon as you select it, the preview updates so you can see how your sheet will fit. Next, click Landscape to switch the orientation horizontally. Landscape is great for wide tables, dashboards, or anything with many columns because it gives you more room across the page. Watch how the preview stretches the content sideways, which can reduce the need for scaling. Now click Scale. This setting controls how your content fits on the page. You'll see options such as fitting to width or to a specific number of pages, or using a percentage to shrink or enlarge the content. Use this to prevent columns from spilling onto extra pages or to make dense sheets more readable. Even just opening this menu helps you understand how scaling interacts with your chosen paper size and orientation. To compare layouts, click Portrait. This flips the page back to a vertical orientation, which is often best for documents you expect to staple or for lists with fewer columns and longer rows. Again, the preview updates so you can verify that your content fits the way you want. When you're satisfied with the paper size, orientation, and scaling choice, click Next. This takes you to your browser or system print dialog, where you can choose your destination, such as a printer or save as PDF, and finalize the job. That's all you need to set page size in Google Sheets quickly and confidently.